is Mr. Bambizo Victor Karist. I'll be teaching chemistry through online tuition. Dear students and other viewers, this segment is about introduction to chemistry at ordinary level. The topic is subdivided into two subtopics. That's the concept of chemistry, and secondly, the importance of chemistry in life. So, by the end of this segment, you should be able to explain the meaning of the term chemistry. Secondly, to mention the materials made by application of chemistry. Then thirdly, to mention the areas where chemistry is either applied or found. Lastly, to mention or to explain the importance of chemistry to life. Now, when I come back to the point of the concept of chemistry, you might have come across with journals and the dictionaries, but chemistry is normally defined in different ways. All the definitions fall under one concise definition. That is, chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of the properties, composition, and the structure of matter, and the changes that matter can undergo. Now, you might have come across with some new words in this definition which are not clear to you. For example, the word matter. Then secondly, we have the word composition. Thirdly, we have the word properties. Then lastly, we have the word structure. When I come to the point of the term matter, matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. These can be the solids, liquids, and the air around you. Secondly, composition. Composition means what matter is made up of. Maybe it can be in the form of the way the particles are arranged and the type of the particles composing that particular matter. The structure, the same applies to composition slightly. That is the way how matter is organized, all its particles arranged. Then the word properties means the characteristics all what matter has. A person who studies chemistry is called a chemist. Then a person who studied chemistry in ancient times is called an oral chemist. You might have some stories about the people who produced salt from marshes and those people who produced fire from stones. On that particular time, chemistry discoveries were made through trial and error methods. So, from this, we can say that up to this time, chemistry is carrying on to advance more and more. Now, through the changes which take place in matter, we can produce many useful materials. Now, here I've designed some materials which are going to be used to demonstrate how matter can change to become more useful depending on the requirement of the producer. For example, here at one level, you might have a requirement of using detergent soap. As you can see, this soap is in a solid state, but in order to make it more useful, you need to change it into a solution form. Look here, I want to wash my item. Let's say I want to wash cooking utensil or washing clothes. So I have to change this detergent just by making it more okay. In the solid state, this soap could be impossible to use. But when I dissolve it and then I make it aqueous, this soap now is ready to wash or to clean the items. That is one example. Another example, when I'm in the laboratory, maybe preparing the practicals or preparing experimental demonstrations, I can produce new materials which can be brought back into use in the laboratory. Here is my original substance, that is copper 2 sulfate. Now I want to produce a new substance now. Then I bring this one here. This is barium chloride. So see what will happen. So